Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel. I want to say a big thank you to all my followers, supporters and subscribers. I really appreciate you. If you are coming here for the first time, you are highly welcome. My name is Akintunde. In this channel, I teach students step by step how to solve mathematics problems under different topics. Let's go right into the lesson for today. Come with me. Under this topic, we shall be looking at multiplication of matrices. And the first part is scalar multiplication. Scalar multiplication involves use of numbers or letter to multiply your matrix. Looking at the example given to us, given matrix X to be equal to this 2 by 2 matrix, find 1, 2x, and 2 minus 4x. The 2 here and the minus 4 here, they are our scalar multiples. We are going to be using them to multiply our matrix X. Solution. Let's find 2x. 2x implies 2 multiplied by matrix X. This is matrix X. And we are going to multiply elements by elements. Therefore, 2x equals 2 multiplied by 8. That gives us 16. 2 multiplied by 4, 8. 2 multiplied by minus 2, minus 4. And 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. So this is 2x. Number 2, to find minus 4x. Minus 4x implies multiply minus 4 by matrix X. Matrix X. So minus 4x gives us 4 times minus 4 times 8 minus 32. Minus 4 times 4 minus 16. Minus 4 multiplied by minus 2. Remember, minus multiplied by minus is positive, so this gives us 8. Minus 4 multiplied by 3 gives us minus 12. So this is our new matrix. Looking at the next example, we are given matrix X and matrix Y to find 3x minus 2y. 3x gives us 3 multiplied by x, and minus 2y is the same as minus 2y is the same as 2 multiplied by y. So therefore 3x minus 2y will give us 9, 12, 3 minus 6 minus 2 multiplied by 3 here gives us 6, 0, 10, and 6. Let's find the difference element by element. Our new matrix becomes 9 minus 6, 12 minus 0, 3 minus 10, minus 6 minus 6, which becomes 9 minus 6 is 3, 12 minus 0, 12, 3 minus 10, minus 7, minus 6, minus 6. Here we are not multiplying. This gives us minus 12. This is our new matrix. We continue under matrix multiplication. Here we are going to be multiplying matrix by matrix. Given matrix A and matrix B, find AB. This means we are going to be multiplying matrix A by matrix B. How do we go about this? only matrix of the same order can be multiplied. Matrix of the same order. So here we are going to have our matrix written in this form. How do we multiply? We are going to multiply row by column. Row by column. So this is the first row for matrix A. We use it to multiply matrix B, first column. First row will be multiplied by B, first column. So we are going to be having 4 times 1 plus 3 times 2. 4 times 1 plus 3 times 2. Then we move on to second column in matrix B. That first row will be used to multiply elements of the second column in matrix B. So we have 4 times 6 plus 3 times minus 7. We move on to the next row, this second row of matrix A. This will be used to multiply first column in matrix B. So this gives us minus 2 times 1 plus 5 times 2. We move on to the second column. Minus 2 times 6 plus 5 times minus 7. Let's find the result of this. AB equals 4 times 1, 4 plus 6. Here we have 24 minus 21. Here we have minus 2 plus 10. Here we have minus 12 minus 35. Finally, AB equals 10. 24 minus 21 will give us 3. Minus 2 plus 10 is 8. Minus 12 minus 35 will give us minus 47. This is matrix multiplication. Practice exercise. Do well to solve this and tell me what our final matrix will look like in the comment section.